some Caesar rice, man. Chicken back and ackee and pumpkin, coconut milk, the whole works. This is it, guys. Yeah, guys. So welcome back to my channel. And today, we are sort out something a little different, you know. Yeah, man, we are cook some chicken back mix. Hey! Go one side. Yeah, man. Hey, go sir. Yeah, man. I cook some chicken back mixed with chicken. You know, some Caesar rice with ackee and pumpkin, coconut milk. You know it go. And not normal we are doing idea, guys. Yeah, man. So stay tuned and watch what we are doing. Just clean up my meat a while ago. Wash it, and upon the final wash, so I'll show you what I go on. Yeah, man, so this side well cut up, clean up nice. Yeah, and upon the final wash now. Yeah, so that I go on from what I go on. So I just all season up this, make it go and marinate, put on pot, make me pumpkin them go and boil out and them something there. Season up that. You know I go, you know the whole process. So this is it, guys. Chicken back mixed with chicken. Yeah, man. So you know I go. So I'll season up this, guys, and start the thing. Yeah, man. So I got head in the kitchen, you know. Yeah, man. Start the process, you know. That's it. So catch you in the kitchen, guys. Yeah, man. So I don't know the thing going on. Please like, share, subscribe to D Robinson Family TV. There. You see me I say? I bring some cooking toner for now. You know the thing go. That is it. Yeah, man. You know what we are cook today? Some chicken back mixed with chicken. Caesar rice. We have a pumpkin. We have a ackee. And we have a seasoning. But we have to start put them together now and get them ready for going in the pot. This is our ackee and pumpkin. This is our chicken back and chicken. These are our ground provision seasoning. All the seasoning that we need. We have a coconut milk. We have a few powder seasoning. Maggi ginger, Maggi all-purpose, Maggi chicken, and here we have pumpkin. No, cat noodle. We have a cat noodle and rice in a bag there. So this is how it look now, and we are gonna show you how it look when we're done. Our butter there. Yeah, man. So we'll start preparing now and get to it. Wash your seeds them, you know. Understand? So I'll show you now. Wash your seeds them. Yeah, man. I'll throw over a piece of thyme over there. So we meet here, so. Okay. We have a pepper, we'll cut up a one pepper on it. So with garlic, pepper smell wicked. man, so that's all season up a meat and make it go and marinate, guys. Man, so this is how we garlic, guys. Cut a piece of scallion. Clean it up.
Game face himself. Put throw the phone on the couch in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man.
Cut up one onion. Guys, so that is it for brown season. Yeah, so we'll throw on some powder season now. So I'll catch you doing that. Come on guys, so right here we have some season to the bone. We'll get on some. Have some meat season. Some retail all purpose. Put on some pepper flakes. I'm going to cut up a pepper in there already. Give it a different flavor in it, guys. Maggi ginger. Put the pepper on it. Not much. I know it's strong. Maggi all-purpose. Yeah. Maggi chicken. Yeah, man. That is it, you know, guys. So that look lovely. This are the meat season. I look it and couldn't find it, but it show up itself, you know. Yeah, man. And then all in all, when I use them seasoning, when I use salt, because them seasoning come with them own salt flavor already. Yeah, man. So I just go mix this in, and then I start on the rest of the original, you know. And pumpkin and clean up my ackee. Make this one marinate and soak in, you know, guys. That is it, guys. Hey guys, so my pumpkin. Now I cut up my pumpkin. Now I go grater some of it in the pot. So watch me doing that. You know. So when I put in the other ingredients, then we show now what I want. Done season up yet, you know, guys. Yeah, man. That is just a prep, you know. Yeah, guys, so pot of hot. Start fry. Now separate the season from off of the meat. that is it, boy. All over them for go on brown now, guys. Yeah, man. Put him coconut milk, you know. Ackee seasoned rice with chicken, chicken back, pumpkin. No here. Black pepper, like a Caesar salt. Yeah man guys, so you know I eat that you know though. Yeah man, watch it. When it simmer down, soon throw in the chicken back, simmer down. Yeah, so we'll get back. Yeah man, so see it dry down nice guys. So pea for a piece guys. Sweet. Mix up this now guys. Oh, I can't start something. I mean, take the card. That's what I mean. That's what I'm saying. No, you're around your family, but now I'm going to do that. No.
This is the finished product, you know, guys. Yeah, finished product, guys. Yeah, man, Caesar rice, man. Chicken back and ackee and pumpkin, coconut milk, the whole works. This is it, guys. Yeah, man.
Wow, put on song for okay,